नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. Myself Dr. Aarti Purohit, JVN, Professor in Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Sciences. Today we are going to start a new lecture, preparation of peripheral blood film, PBF, preparation of PBF. Peripheral blood film is of two types, one is thick blood film and one is thin blood film. For thin blood film we will prepare to know the differential leukocyte count or lymphocytes, neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils and monocytes. And for to prepare and we will prepare the thick blood film for knowing the parasites or to see the malaria parasite and any other worms. Now today we are going to start with the thin blood film. For that we need one dropper, blood sample, 2 slides. The slides should be clean and dry. First we will take the 1 drop of blood and put it on the slide. It should not be on the edge of the slide, it should be at the 1/3 part of the slide. We'll use the second slide as a spreader, and first we will spread this blood and then put it, push it forward to prepare the tongue-shaped peripheral blood film. It should be thin enough, because if it will be thick there will be reflux formation of RBC and we are not able to see the lymphocytes and monocytes. Now we'll wait to dry the slide and heat fix this smear, and then go for Leishman staining and see this slide under the microscope. Focus one high power and under the microscope. For that we just wait for 30 seconds. Then heat fix this smear. After fixing, we will put 3 or 4 drops of Leishman stain on this slide. And wait for 1 or 2 minutes till this stain will be taken by the all lymphocytes. Before going to start with the DLC count, I want to tell you that differential leukocytes are of 5 types. First is the neutrophil, which is having binucleate, quadrinucleate and multinucleate nucleus inside it, and it will take it is having the fine cytoplasm. Apart from that, monocyte have the big nucleus and it will push the all cytoplasm towards the periphery of of the cell, lymphocyte. And eosinophil is so beautiful, it will take just the red coarse granules inside it and having the multinucleate cell. And lymphocyte again is having the large nucleus, and cytoplasm is pushed towards one side, and it will having the blue coarse granules. Now after 1 or 2 minutes, we will just wash this slide drop by drop to wash out the extra stain of the Leishman stain. Again we will wait to dry this slide. Then focus one high power and make the 100 grids, and after focusing on the microscope under the 40x and 100x, we will just write down whether it is a lymphocyte, neutrophil, eosinophil or any other. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this session. It will be helpful for you. Thank you.